Welcome in section 4 about writing directives. In the previous section, I've introduced you into an Angular component, how to easily generate a simple Angular component, where it's defined, how to change their template. Also using mount event like click, I've shown you how we can use events to respond to the user actions. In this section at the beginning, I will quickly describe you what are directives in Angular. Then using most common directives like ngClass and ng4, we are going to do some examples using these directives. And at the end, we will create our own custom directive and we will play with other directives. So in this video, we are going to focus on what are directives in Angular, and I will introduce you into a component directive, structure directive, and attribute directive. Angular directives. A directive in Angular is just a plain JavaScript class that is decorated with the add directive decorator, but it tells me nothing. Directives are basically instructions which tells Angular to do something, and it depends on the directive that we would like to use. For example, we can create a directive which will change the text or set background color to an element. And we have three types of directives. Components. Components are simply directives with their own templates. Structure directives that change the DOM layout by adding and removing DOM elements, for example, ngIf. Attribute directives that change the appearance or behavior of an element, component, or another directive, for instance, ngClass. Awesome. So now we know what is an Angular directives and the types of an Angular directives.